Show me how to do
Okay,
this. I'm gonna get
knife.
my knife. Big knife, right?
Big knife.
Big knife, big heart.
Can't lose.
Yeah. Gabe Kennedy has a restaurant in Los Angeles. He's brilliant.
I really believe we are what we eat, and there's something that's so much more satisfying when I'm able to actively engage with my food. Here are 5 foods with benefits. Dandelion. These greens are phenomenal for detoxifying, specifically the liver. And they grow everywhere and taste great. Maitake mushroom, they're good for the gut flora. They work with blood sugar regulation. Legend has it, it's called the dancing mushroom because when people found this, they were so overjoyed they began to dance. Turmeric. This beautifully colored root is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Tiny but mighty. If you're gonna have some turmeric, add a little bit of black pepper and your body will actually absorb it. Black pepper is also great for the brain and general immune health. Ginger, great for the immune system. It also is wonderful for an upset stomach if someone is feeling nauseous. Simply muddle this and add it to some hot water. What has always excited me about food is that it is one of the most intimate interactions we have with the planet. There's intelligence in these.
We're
What
gonna be
else is good
so
for the
smart after we eat this.
brain? Brain burgers?